Unit 1, Page 13, Skills 2, Activity 1. Susie is a student at PLC Sydney. Listen and choose the correct answers.
Hi, my name's Susie Brewer. I'm 11 years old. I'm now in grade 6 at PLC Sydney. I like it here, as I like to study in a girls' school. The teachers at my school are nice and very helpful. And my favourite teacher is Mrs. Susan McKeith. She teaches us maths. I have 3 hours to study Vietnamese in the afternoon. Usually, I do my homework at break time. We wear our uniform every day, but today we aren't, as we're going to have an outing to Taronga Zoo.